This conference will now be recorded.
Sorry, guys. Due to network issues, we cannot do properly. So now we'll start. We'll complete that. So here it is. So we'll just double click on that. So if I double click, so it'll be here. So we'll just press this. If I press this, it'll go to that particular layer and Control T. So I can arrange it. So let me give the contact details here. So if I want to give the contact details, I should take the text tile. Just click on that. I'll get this. So here I should reduce the size. So it should be around 24. So here I'll give. So here we'll give for online order. So after this, we'll change the font. We'll give the so we'll give this font only, because we have added all already this one, so we'll just keep this font only. So first we need to select this and then go to and select that font, and I'm changing the color also here to yellow. And after that, again, if I want to give some website address, means again we need to go to text tool only. Before that, we need to arrange this properly. So just take the text, click here, backspace. Now give the website address www dot. So this will be the website address. I'm changing the color. Again, I'm taking the move tool to adjust. So take the move tool and adjust it properly like this. And now again take the text tool, click here and backspace. And now again give for delivery. For delivery, here I'm changing the color and take the move tool to arrange that. So you'll be getting the guidelines where it's showing in pink color. So you'll be getting the guidelines like this where you can adjust it properly. And now take the text tool, click, give random contact number. So I'm just giving this one. So take the text tool and select everything here, and just go here, take the white color and take the move tool to arrange it properly. So now this is a online poster. So here I need to give some where it takes to their website or to order that. So here I'm taking, here we have shapes here. If I right click, I have the shapes here. I'm taking the shape here, just dragging it like this, drag this, so you will be getting properties of it, so you can fill the color. So I'm just taking here the white color to fill that. Yes, it is okay now, and you can give the stroke color also anything, and you can increase the stroke points also, and you can give any stroke like this. So now it's enough. So I'll just take the move tool and I'll just adjust. Yes. So now I'm taking a text tool, clicking on this and backspace. I'll just give order now. And now I'll change the color for this. So I'll just give yellow. So where it'll highlight there. So it's not highlighting. Okay, we'll give black there. Select that everything. So just give the black color. And that should be in bold. So we can give this like this. And if you want to give a drop shadow to that, just right click and blending option, go to blending option. And in the last class only I told you, if you want to give drop shadow, so there it'll affect. So reduce the opacity and distance and reduce the size also now. And distance just give around 2. So this is okay now for order. So if you are clicking only to look like online poster, so we are just doing this. So take that box below and take the text also a little below and put it. And you can use the arrow for that to arrange properly. So we can use arrange too. And this is your poster. So you can make it like this. And I should mention when it is and from which week to which week, and the tagline and the shop name, how much should be the offer, price, contact details here. Like this you need to insert everything like this. And today, for today's concept, I'll be teaching you the digital painting today. So now I hope everyone got this advertising poster. So today we'll start with digital painting. So if I want to do digital painting, I should take a picture, relevant, good picture. So for that I'll go to Unsplash. I'll go to Unsplash and should select good picture. So here I'll go to fashion. So fashion and beauty. So I can select any picture here. So select the beautiful one, select the proper picture and do that. You can do the digital painting for any picture. So I'll select picture here. I'll show you how to do digital painting. So I'm taking this one. So this is good. So I'm taking this picture, downloading, and we should take the new artboard now, canvas. So should take the measurement. So it's already there here. So I'm just, everything is filled here. Resolution should be 300 and the color mode is RGB, and width is 8.5 and 11, and that is in portrait. And now I'll just keep create. So it's already here. Now I want to place the picture. So if I want to place the picture, just go to file menu and go to place embedded there. So here it is, the picture. So just take that and place, select that and place it. So I just want to do digital painting only this much, so that much only I'll just select. Only for face I want to do the digital painting. Only for that I'll select it. So now after selecting, after selecting, just duplicate this image. Control J to duplicate, or if you want to go with the options means just right click on that and go to that option duplicate layer. So click on that, you can get the duplicated image here. So in that you can edit. So just go to that image, so which you have duplicated. So select that image. Before that, before doing any editings, so you are doing it for the original image here. If you want to cut that image, I told you already, you need to select that with the polygon tool or else with a pen tool and with a quick selection, or else if you want to go with the option you can use select menu. There, select menu, in that select menu if you go to the subject will select there. So if you want to select means, if not, you can use this quick selection and all. So for now I want to edit to the original image only. So for that I need to rasterize. So for that I need to right click on that image. So right click on that image, you will get the option called rasterize layer. Select that rasterize layer. So now it is rasterized. After rasterizing, just go to image menu and in that adjustments, that shadow and highlights. You can see the differences now. Shadow and highlights. So here if you give show more options, it will show you more. So you can tone it up however you want here. So here I'll reduce the tone on 25. And next radius. So radius, I'll increase the radius around 100. And next color. So if I increase the color, so it looks like this. So let me take that around 25 plus 25. So okay, and mid-tone. So if I increase, it looks like this. I can increase the mid-tone also. So I'll take this around 30. So this will be the picture, and here I'll increase the radius for this. If I don't increase, see here, it will be the it will be with a different color. So that's this radius after editing everything. So here I'll give OK to this. So here also if I increase more, the hair part will be different color. So let it be 100, and I'll give OK for this. So here see the differences. So this is the original image. So after giving the filter shadows and highlightings, so the image will be like this. So this is the original image, and this is the highlighted one. And after giving everything, so now just go to filter menu. So just go to filter menu. There you have sharpen option. So just take that sharpen option. In that sharpen option, go to sharpen. So if you want to go to more sharpen, so you can go to sharpen more. So now it is sharpen more. So don't want that sharpen more. So sharpen is enough, or else before taking only you can take that sharpen. So sharpen, more sharpen. So it will be like this. If you zoom, you can see the sharpen one. So that it'll be easy to edit if you sharpen the image means. So how I'll tell you, just press Control minus now, and take the tool which you want to smudge now. So right click, go to edit toolbar, and uh, here you have option called blur. Go to right click on that blur, and go to smudge tool here. Smudge tool, take the smudge tool. So this is the smudge tool. So take that smudge tool, and increase a little brush size. And if you want to increase, I told you in the last class only, if you want to increase any picture, sorry, any brush size means, so you need to take the square brackets in your keyboard. I told you open and close are to increase and decrease the size of that brush. Mm, Now just zoom the image. So first, when you are doing the digital painting, remember in face, the lips part and nose, eyes are the really very important parts where your design looks neat if you do there properly means. So that will be the highlighted points. If you are not doing there the proper design means proper smudging there, so the whole image will only damage there. So that's why do the smudging properly. Smudge it properly. How is, how is the layer there? According to that, smudge it properly. I'll tell you. So before that, before smudging, if I want to take some colors means if I want to take it, so I can take the colors also by using brush tool. So here I can use the brush tool to take the color. So increasing is square brackets. So if I want to increase that, square brackets only, and here I'm taking white color, and click on this. just a click, just one click where it is highlighted. So there you can click here. So it don't, so here you can highlight it. Yes. Now take the smudge tool and you can smudge it now. So just control plus take, I'll start from this. So take the and just zoom it, just zoom it and reduce the brush size, reduce the brush size and go according to the shape. So before going, I'll tell you, see the strength here, smudge strength, and it should be 50. See, if you have given 100 means, see the smudging here. So it will come, the smudging will be like this. So Control Z for undo. And remember, your smudging should be 50, only 50, or else you can keep that around 45, something like that. So remember, it should not cross above 50. So take the brush and smudge it like this. And take the layer, the according to that shape you have to smudge. So you can't, so here you need to smudge it like this. So here you can smudge it like this. So smudge it properly like this. Smudge it according to that shape. So it will take time to smudge, but after getting ready with the picture, it looks nice. So remember to smudge according to that shape only. So here take the shape according to it and smudge it. So here take the shape according to it. So smudge it according to the shape like this. So how is the shape? You, how the shape you can see, smudge it according to that shape. So it will take time, but after getting everything done, so it looks nice. And some areas you need to increase the brush size, and in the some areas, so you should reduce the brush size and then you should do that. So you can see the difference between the upper lip and the lower lip. So here, and the same thing you need to do it here. So here, according to that shape. And when you're smudging, don't take the smudging like this. If you have taken, just press Ctrl Z. If you have made a mistake means press Ctrl Z for undo, and properly take according to it, and reduce the size of that brush wherever it's needed to reduce the size. You can reduce the size, brush size there. Now you can see the differences there. So this is the older lips after smudging. So we'll get the lips like this. So remember to smudge it properly. So if you don't smudge properly, so according to that shape you need to smudge it. So that's why if you sharpen the image, then you'll get to know how to smudge, because see, here you will get to know these parts are all smudged. Where there you can see sharpen, so there you can smudge properly. So according to that shape you need to smudge it now. Remember, nose and the lips part are really very important. And here you need to smudge it for the teeth also here. For everything you should smudge. So you need to smudge it properly like this. So it should look like art. So that's how you need to smudge. And now nose is really very important. So nose, eyes and lips are really very important part. So you need to understand that image, and then according to that shape only you should do. If you are not doing properly, then it will not look nice. So remember, so according to that shape you need to take now. So when you're doing nose, you should carefully do that. So increase the point and do it from here. And you can see the differences in the colors also here. So here the color is only different, here is only different, here is only different. So you can see the color differences also if you mix up everything, so it don't look nice. So remember, do according to it only, so that don't mix the color. So see here, so remember, so when you are going for the edges and all, reduce the size of that brush and do according to it, and don't spoil the shape here. Do according to it and take that shape up. And you can see the mix colors here, and do according to it, don't mix the color. Wherever if you see the same colors, you can increase the brush size. Reduce the size of the brush. So now increase the size here, increase the size, and do according to it. So remember, when you're see the color differences, the color is different here only and here only. Take according to it, smudge it properly. And if you are done with the nose and eyes part, the other part is easy to do. smudge it properly according to the shape. If you go is wrong, just press Ctrl Z to undo. See, according to that shape, you need to take it. You need to draw it properly. And here in the edges also. So you should not spoil the shape. So take the smaller brush, reduce the size, and then increase the brush size wherever if the same color is here means. Okay, you can see the nose part here. See the original nose and the artistic nose. If I zoom out, you can see here. See, it looks like this. I'll show you what is digital painting faster. So digital painting means this. So you can see the image here, right? So this image, what and all have done here. So this is only digital painting. So if I want to create a digital painting properly, so it will take time. It will take so much time to create proper digital painting. See here and all, it is highlighted one. That's why I took the brush tool and kept the dot here. And if you smudge it, so it looks highlighted. So same thing you need to do with the eye part and here also. So you can see lips and nose are done. So now we should do with the eye part. And remember, if you are doing it for the hair part for this and all, so just zoom this. if you are doing it for a hair part, you should reduce the brush size, then you should do it like this. So remember, when you are doing it for a hair part, you should reduce the brush size, then you should do like this according to that shape. According to that shape, you should reduce the brush size, then you should do. And now I'll show you how to do it for the eye part. So reduce the size, and so here, so take according to that shape, reduce it. So when you give white, it'll highlight there. So if you goes wrong like this, just press Ctrl Z. So then continue with the work. So, and don't take much to highlight. So this is enough. And after that, take according to that shape, this. See, you should take according to that shape. So now, it is like this. You need to smudge this also, a little smudging like this. And after that, you should smudge with the eye like this properly. Reduce the brush size, then so take this smudging, and wherever if you see here, reduce the brush size and then smudge it properly. So remember to smudge properly. So you can see the difference. So this is how you should smudge. See the eye part there. It looks artistic eye. So this is a normal eye. So this is how you need to highlight with the white, and you need to do it for the whole image. And if you are doing it for a hair part, you should reduce the size, brush size, then you should do it like this. So if you are increasing, and if you're doing it for a hair part, so it looks like this. So that will take you time. And remember, and if you want to add some extra hairs, means go to brush tool, and there take a eyedropper. So here it is eyedropper. Take the eyedropper and capture the color of this. So take the color and take the brush, reduce the size of this, and remember, you should decrease the opacity around 43. So now you can see. So reduce the opacity still around 15. Control Z, and decrease the size. decrease the size. So now you can see here, this is how you can highlight it. So this is how you can highlight the hair by selecting it. After all, after editing everything with the picture here, so you can add the hairs like this if you want, means extra hairs means. So for hair part you should do editing like this, you should smudge like this, and remember, where it is small hairs like this, you should reduce the size, then you should smudge it. If you are increasing the brush size, it won't look nice. So remember, so if I am increasing the brush size here, and see if I'm doing means, so it looks like this. So don't do like that. So reduce the brush size according to it and then smudge it. It looks nice, like a original art. So remember to do like that. So see the images here. So it's all smudged one. So you can take any image like this and you can highlight the points. See here, they have highlighted. See here, they have highlighted with the colors here, with these color, everything. So it's a digital, and here also they have highlighted. You can see, if you see here, so in this image, and see the high, and see the cost, it cost around 1000 for digital painting. See the eye, they have highlighted. See here, they have highlighted the eye part, and they have highlighted here for checks, and here forehead, and for teeth also. So they have highlighted everything here, where and all the shining we can see, they're all highlighted. You should do like this. They have taken extra hairs here after creating everything. See here, here and all. So they have taken extra hairs here and all everywhere. So remember doing it properly. And here for eyebrows, I told you, no, you should reduce the brush size, then only you will get. If you increase it, it looks something different. So remember taking that and doing it. So we'll finish the topic for today now. So let me take your attendance. Adya Tyagi, you're present.
Present, ma'am.
Abhivakti, Abhivakti, Ach Achala Reddy,
Present, ma'am.
Hafreen Sultana, Hafreen Sultana, Amruta Roy, Amruta, Amruta Roy, you're present. Anuka Varsha,
Present, ma'am.
Ashmita, Ashmita, Ashmita Deb,
Present, ma'am.
B Sharda,